Hey YouTube, Shadetober update for 6 and 7. 6 was a rest day. Plain and simple. Just rested, didn't really work. Today, I upped my run to 4.8 something miles in 30 minutes. I'll probably continue to just keep pushing myself until I can't push myself anymore. So yeah, other than that, I pretty much just did the running today. Did some balance activities to help with posture and stuff, but not much else. Diet's going good. I guess, let's see, if I do an update on weight, I am 2 pounds down, meaning I am got 8 to go for my goal that I set. So yeah, Shadetober's going good.